I've got my brand new NukeProof Horizon rims from Chain Reaction, and I'm replacing these E13 TRS rims due to that one's cooked, and they wanted £75 for one of them, and these were on Chain Reaction for £35 a rim. And they're the same ERD, well there's 1mm difference. So they come like this. Yeah, so now they're out the box. Yeah, that's the only sort of decals they got on them, and it says like Horizon there. Honestly, it's so similar. And after looking at it, it looks like they're made by WTB anyway. So yeah, I look forward to riding on these, and they're kind of stealthy, which matches my bike. So yeah, I'm gonna start lacing them up. I got a new tyre on the way, and yeah, gonna lace them up and get them done. Got some black brass nipples from Ryan Builds Wheels, if you can see that. He's a Bristol based company, he does everything: spokes, nipples, rims, hubs, custom wheels. Chose brass nipples just because they're a little bit more solid than the standard like alloy ones. Alloy ones round off. Magic with this, like if I put it on there, it will just magically happen. And I just got a new front tyre, so I went for the Max Terra as it's a bit faster rolling, and whoop whoop, heard really good things about this, so I thought I'd try it. Yeah. There we go, new rims on the Ibex tyre on the back, Minion on the front, ready to roll. Yeah.